Hello everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I was going to participate in the Dollar Tree $5 DIY Valentine's 2019, co-hosted by B of Bum Bees DIYs and Lauri of Creative Lauri. Now first I want to say I'm going to leave a link to their channels below. Please check them out. They do great DIYs. They do different hauls like Dollar Tree haul. They'll do Goodwill hauls. Just all kinds of stuff. So be sure and check them out. They're both so sweet. Now, when I say I was going to participate, what happened? This is the project that I made. But when me and Mike went to upload the video where I had actually did the DIY, somehow had been deleted. Bumby was so sweet. I did contact her and told her what happened, and she said just go ahead and I could show what I had made and just explain. So thank y'all, B and Lauri, for letting me do this. And I do want to apologize to everyone. I am so sorry, but I would love to share what I have made. I made this for $4.25, and that's why I was so excited, because I know you're thinking 25 cents, you were at Dollar Tree. Well, they had some grab bags there for $1 a piece, and one of them on the bag said flowers. And so I bought that. So that was my 25 cents. I bought one of those heart wire wreath frames, some deco mesh, and this little bear with a little kiss on him. So that's how I came out with $4.25. I want to apologize to everyone again, and I'm so sorry about this, but I was very proud of the way it turned out, and I just wanted to share. I just want to say thank you again to Bumby and Lauri for letting me share my project, and I want to thank each and every one of you for letting me share also. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Bye-bye, and may God bless.